today we're going to have a look at applying different view settings to a engineer schedule. So if I go to diary and then engineer schedule here, we can view our saved engineer schedules currently. So if I was to create a new schedule, say for example like the ones I have here, I might create one for a particular department. All I need to do is go to say, right, apply the filters I want. So I might go to, I don't know, electrical team 1 or something like that, whichever one you have in your departments, and then I can go save this. In the top right corner is a little blue icon. If I press save as new schedule, it'll give you this window. I'm just going to call this Team 1 schedule. And I give it a color as well. Just jumps out at you a bit easier if you apply a color. And you can select who can view this particular schedule as well. So you can just do it for you or a selected group of people if you wanted to. But I'll just do everyone in our case here. And then a few other settings we can apply as well is we can say, right, if I hit this little cog icon here, there's a few toggles we have. So appointment auto height. All that will do is it will make all the boxes for each job auto height to the amount of text that's in it. So it won't cut it down like now. If I just want to see all the text within there, I'm just going to say, right, appointment auto height on there. So yeah, I can just see the breakdown of each job in there as well. So I can apply a auto size as well. So all that will do is if I hit full on there, that's trying to fit every engineer. So if you've got a lot of engineers and you want them all to fit in the same window, you apply that setting. Otherwise, just put that as none because it will just put in each of the engineers in a big block on that way, and then you'll have to scroll down to each one and it won't sort of squish the information up a bit. We've also got show overview. So that's the top section there. So show overview, you can toggle that on and off. You can drag and drop jobs from here, from the overview. We do also have this new icon here, this new button, I should say. If I hit that, that will give you a list of jobs as well. So you can drag and drop jobs from here to different users as well, and then just apply that to whichever user, and that will book them in as well for that particular job. So yeah, that's sort of, I'd probably say use this one over the overview, but it's either or, it's up to you really if you want to use it. But just to get rid of that, I'll just click this little icon again and untoggle that. So we've also got here, so you can hide completed jobs, hide assigned jobs, hide invoice jobs, so the different jobs and what statuses they're at really, and you can hide those as well. Another option we have is change number of visible engineer rows. If we can hit that, you'll get this window. Now in order for these settings to actually work, you need to make sure to have your resource auto height as limited or none. For now, I'll just put on none for us. And if I go back to here, change number of visible engineer rows, we'll say, okay, we'll want to have 4 visible at once, and this will, as soon as there's more than 4 on a row, it will disable the automatic resizing, or we can just completely take this off, and we can just say, okay, we really want to have, I don't know, 2 visible or 3, however much you really want there, to really customize how you want the calendar to look for you.